Good morning. Today topics solid section unit 3. Today we see the pentagonal pyramid axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So introductions, pentagonal pyramid axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Pentagonal pyramid is a three-dimensional consist of first one pentagonal base, second one 5 triangular face, third one apex vertex. In engineering drawing, pyramid are classified on orientation base, inclination of axis, position relative to reference plane. That means horizontal plane, vertical plane. We consider the pentagonal pyramid as such that the axis inclined to VP and the axis parallel to HP. This implies the pyramid is a tilted horizontal plane. True inclination is visible in the top view. The front view shows apparent inclinations. The basic terminology of pentagon: axis, base, slant edge, true length. Axis, line joining the apex to the center of the bases. Base, regular pentagon, slant edge joining apex to base corner. A true length is actual length of edges when seen in correct view. Axis length approximate 50 mm. Axis inclined 40 degree to HP. Axis parallel to HP. Solve this we following the change position method. First two steps, assuming the simple position, axis perpendicular to HP. Axis perpendicular to HP. Base resting on HP in rest position HP. One base edge parallel to VP. One base edge parallel to VP. Draw the top view first. This is a top view. First, draw the regular pentagon. Mention the corner A, B, C, D, E. This is a regular name of the corner. And mark center O. Project the front view. Project vertical lines. Draw apex at the given height, that means axis length. Join apex to all base corner. Step by step construction. First we draw the top view. Draw horizontal reference line XY first. Second one, below XY, construct the regular pentagon. Keep one side parallel to XY. The corner mention the name of A, B, C, D, E. Mark center as O. Second, draw the front view. Project vertical line from all points. Project vertical line from all points. One projection of the corner center O, mark apex O. Height is equal to axis length. Join apex to all base joint. Complete visible and hidden edge. Apply inclinations. The axis parallel to HP